Hello guys, yeah, I'm back. I'm back from the dead. Yeah, I've been uploading for like, 3 months I think. Yeah, like there was this online class thing, so like that took 2 months to do, so that's the main reason. And another month, because just I wanted to take a break on YouTube. Yeah, I just wanted to take a month break on YouTube, because like, I don't know how they do it, like, I mean, I guess they used to. I'm just a kid that's just overworked. What am I saying? Anyway, the reason why I'm coming back is someone like Sean Sepp guy is back. Yeah. I watch him, I love him. Yeah. He inspired me to come back anyway. Yeah. I mean, I'm glad. Yeah. I mean, just watching that live stream just made me feel so energetic and I wanted to upload again. Yeah. I mean, so I've been looking at my YouTube channel. I'm not getting a lot of views. The last video I've uploaded was Mobile Legends. It got 7 views. Wow. That's a lot. Wait. Yeah. The last upload was 7 views. Jeez, that's a lot. I normally get like 2, but this got 7. Yeah, I'm on my laptop checking YouTube Studio. I tried to do this on the laptop, but I just couldn't. The laptop's too confusing. I'm gonna figure it out and do a laptop. And there's a crack on this middle. Not a crack, the screen just broken, so I don't know. Yeah, this is a pointless video. So yeah, I'm back. I'm here. I'm living. I'm the living dead. God. I'm so effing cringy. Yeah, I'm glad it got 7 views. I have 3 subscribers, by the way. My my younger sister subscribed to me. That's lame. And Foolish Kid was the first subscriber. And I watch his videos. He's good. Yeah, I don't know the third. I think it's a bot. I don't think I have a third subscriber. Like I just can't find him. So yeah, I'm back. I'm just speaking. We're just chatting. I'm gonna be uploading. Yeah. See you guys later.